This is Carol Edgell, your speech teacher, and I'm just going to send you this short little video so that you can see how to practice at home to get those good R's. Now, everybody's different. Your mouth shape is different, your tongue, everything is different, so you're going to have to tweak this for your own sound to come out right. And that's why I like to be able to see you so I can see what your mouth is doing, because we can try different things and I can see what worked and what didn't, and then the tongue and all that. But anyway, so the first step is to get So can be made two ways, and I don't know if I can do this with holding my phone. I'm not set up properly right now. Anyway, So what you're going to do is first start with L. And so L is right behind your front teeth. So go la. Now move your tongue a little further back, and go ra. And now move it to the middle top of your mouth and do that. Put your tongue up there and go ra. And now behind that middle of your mouth, sometimes you have a bump up there, kind of like a curved part of your mouth up in the middle. Put it behind there. Now, some people are going to do better with a smile, and usually that's because instead of just putting your tongue bent back, it's going to be kind of like an accordion squishing back. And that does better with a smile. If your tongue really does tip back like mine does, see it? You're going to do better with tightening the side. So watch this. If I put my tongue up there behind the bump, I'm talking about this sort of indentation at the top of your mouth. Some people have it, some people don't. Depends on how your mouth came together when you were being formed. So anyway, if I put my tongue back there and I go, you'll notice that doesn't actually sound like yet. It's close, but it's not quite there. So if I do that, but then I squeeze the sides of my mouth, watch. Oh, look at that. There we go. This is going to be too long, and it's not going to fit in the text. Well, we'll see. So that's how you do that. Now, if you're going to just do the bunched back method, like that accordion where your tongue is just kind of squishing back, the sides of your tongue are going to squeeze against your molars, those back teeth. It's almost like you're making a bridge. Connect this side to this side with the sides of your tongue and the back. And you're going to smile. Now, unfortunately, I can't make it that way. I'm going to pretend to. Yeah. Anyway, so my tongue would be squished back, flat back, butt up, like an elevator. Don't let it hide on the bottom. It's got to go up, and then squeeze against those back teeth. So you got to get a good Here's a good Here's a batter. Here's another batter. Those are all batters. There's a good should sound just like that. If I'm hearing guess how I made that? My tongue was not up. Here, I'm going to make it go up. Oh my goodness. Now it's a good You can kind of see it moving, right? So sometimes that R is easier for people to start with for some reason, because the on the end is shorter. So you start with like you're going to the dentist, and then you lift your tongue up. And if you imagine a pirate going sometimes people can do it because they automatically tighten up their tongue at the end because they're trying to sound like an angry pirate. So you just automatically tighten up that tongue in the back, and that's what you're supposed to do to get a good R. So sometimes people can get that, so try that. And you just hold it longer, hold it tight back there longer. There it is. So anyway, practice practice R, A-R, R, tongue. But it's going to take a lot of practice and experimentation to get it in the right place. Just remember it has to be tight, up, and back. The acronym is TUB, like a bathtub. So tight, up, and back for your tongue. Both methods require it to be tight, up, and back. One bends back this way, and one just kind of like, I can't even do it with my fingers because they don't go that way, but just kind of squishes back. All right, hope this helps. Talk to you later. Bye.